In today's video I'm going to show you how to fade in a video in CapCut. So for the first step we will need to have CapCut. After that you will open a new project, add your videos, and once you have done that you will see this basically on your timeline. Now what we will do, we will want to fade in this video, so we will select the video and there you have the option to animation. What you can do is basically you can click on animation and then you will select in, and then we will look for fade in. As you can see, it's here, the effect. And what you can do after that, you can change the duration to set it a little bit longer so it is fading in more slowly, as you can see. And that is how you basically fade in a video in CapCut.